Guys, this is what happens in Canada. The weather is so unpredictable. That's my son coming back from school. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So it's predicted that the snow is going to be 25 centimeters, which is a lot. Thank God I'm working from home. Otherwise, I don't know at what time I would be back home if I would be in the office. Come on in. This is what happens when you travel in snow, when you walk in snow. Oh my God, what happened to you?
There was a huge storm outside. My face is cold.
Oh God, it's freezing. Can I see your shoes?
And here's my boots.
These are snow boots. Okay, so it's very heavy snowstorm today. It's pouring since afternoon, and it keeps on pouring. And the forecast is gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be pouring all the time till tomorrow afternoon. And the prediction is that snow is gonna accumulate up to 25 centimeters. It's quite cold. So white. For some reason, I like it. Sometimes it sucks, but most of the time I love it. So we are here to buy a pizza for dinner because I don't want to cook today. I'm out for some shopping. First I'll do some shopping and then we'll go for dinner. Right now today I'm in the mood of eating some Italian, maybe. I don't want to eat desi. I hope my husband would ask for the desi food. I want to go for Italian. The pasta, chicken parmesan sandwich. Oh my God, my mouth is watering right now. I'm drooling. I'm about to drool. All right, see you then.
And underground parking in Mississauga Square 1. And also, before this, we went into the area the last time I went to get Pokemon cards. It's like wait, what's the temperature?
But right now it's a little better, minus 15.
I thought it was minus 12 or so. Minus 15, it would be colder.
Look. Man, I think it's comfy. I just got this trouser and this shirt. Mission accomplished. Rohan,
Yeah?
did you like this?
Yeah, it looks good on you, in my opinion.
Say hi. Where are we?
We're at Eastside Mario's.
It's an Italian restaurant. Chicken parm sandwich. So good. You recording already?
Yeah.
How was the food?
It was good.
What do you like the most?
Oh, probably the jumbo shrimp Alfredo sauce that I ordered.
Look at the beauty. What it is?
It's not.
My goodness.
Lamborghini is an Italian model. This is a USA model of the car brand.
Guys, wish me luck. Subscribe to my channel so that I can buy something like this. Please. Oh my god, this is sexy. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, so we are done with the dinner and their food is always amazing. I love their food. It's Italian food, just with the way I like it. Let me show you the restaurant name once again. Side Mario's. So if you live nearby Brampton, Mississauga, I think they have Oakville, down in Toronto, they're all over GTA. Their food is amazing. Highly recommend. Their pastas, especially if you like to eat pastas or sandwiches, they're great. So I'm gonna go. Now I'm so full. I'm feeling sleepy. It's night and it's too cold right now. It's almost minus 20, I guess. I think we're gonna go and grab the coffee, or maybe I'll make tea at home. Please take very good care of yourself. Please subscribe to my channel, like my content, share my content, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon. I'll see you in my next vlog. Ciao.